Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error. This PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. As you can see, I'm already running Windows 11. If you want to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, it's actually very easy. Let's get started. First, close everything. Here I have my Windows 11 ISO file. You'll need this ISO file to continue. Now go to this PC, open your local disk, C, and create a new folder. Right-click, select New Greater Than folder and name it Windows 11. Make sure there are no spaces. Then press Enter. Next, go back to your Windows 11 ISO file, right-click it, and select Mount. After that, copy all the files and folders from the mounted ISO. Go to the Windows 11 folder you just created and paste everything there. This process may take around 5 minutes. Once the files are copied, make sure everything is there, especially the setup.exe file. Then close everything. Now go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This step is very important. Next, copy the command line and paste it into Command Prompt. It should look something like this. C. Windows 11 setup.exe/product server, then press Enter. If you get an error, restart your PC and try again. Also, make sure you didn't include any spaces in the folder name, otherwise the command won't work. Once done correctly, the Windows 11 setup will start. This is not Windows Server, it's the original Windows 11. Select the correct option and click Next. The system will check your PC, and this time the error should be gone. Accept the terms, choose Keep Files and Apps, and click Next. Before continuing, a quick note, if your PC has a dual-core processor, Windows may 11 not run well. For example, my system has a 4-core CPU and 16 GB RAM, and it still runs a bit slow. So performance depends on your hardware. Finally, when you see ready to install, click Install and enjoy Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.